Here's a 1959 Cadillac Series 62 two-door hardtop. This car is, I'd say, pretty much it's a driver that, you know, needs some stuff to be in tip-top shape. The car has been in storage for many years, painted years ago, probably all original chrome on it and everything. But again, it's, you know, it looks good from, you know, 5-10 feet away. Up close you can see some imperfections on it. You know, it's all there. It's a factory air conditioned car, which is really nice. It's got power windows, but you know, the paint is just an average paint job on it. It's got some chips and stuff, some flaws. You know, it's pretty straight down the sides. You know, there's a lot of chips up here where the emblem goes. The chrome and everything is all, looks to be all original. You know, it looks fine again for a driver, but you want it perfect, you have to redo it. There's a ding right here. Like I say, the chrome's just average. The wheel well moldings need to be repolished and some dents taken out. It's got older bi-supply tires with all original wheels and hubcaps. Hubcaps look pretty nice on it. All the fit and door gaps look pretty good. The floors look very solid on the car. The windshield's nice. All the stainless around the windshield's in good shape. Wiper arms are there. Vent windows are nice, no pitting. All the side trims there. Now, the car had a little bit of rust issues in the rear quarters here. I got some pictures in the ad that's been repaired. You can see from the back. This is a Series 62. Someone put Coupe de Ville emblems on it. It's got the chrome cones. The rear bumper, again, is original and just in average shape. To be beautiful, you have to re-chrome it, or you leave it the way it sits. This piece is broken right here, but that can be found. The skirt's fit good on it. All the stainless is there. Door handles are just, you know, average, original. The car's got good points and bad points, you know. It just it's a little scratch on the windshield here. Missing the little inserts and the emblem there. Interior, this was redone some years ago. This was done in vinyl. Two-tone blue and white. Again, looks good for a little driver. Dash pad, they did a little repair on the top there. So you leave it or redo it. The horn ring's beautiful. I mean, that's $1,200 right there. Steering wheel's got some cracks. It's all complete inside here. Headliner's actually pretty nice. The dome light works. Back seat's nice. Door rubbers, a little weak. Bottom of the doors are nice and solid. The Valtronic eye. You know, it's a car you could drive the way it sits and work on it as you go, or you can leave it as it sits and just don't have to worry about chipping it or scratching it. The hood has a little kink right here. This got a little pitting right there. It's got the original motor, 390. It's all stock and complete. It's got new brakes on it, new fuel systems, and all gone through because it was sitting for a while. It's missing the washer bottle. But it's all there. And the hood is painted. Inside the trunk, again, was redone some years ago. Got an older spare in there. Jack's still there. See, the side pieces are original, still there. The rubber is a little weak. The stainless around the back is pretty nice. A couple of dinghies there. Car starts right up. It's got a little bit of an exhaust leak. Probably where the manifold it meets the exhaust. The horn does not work. Directional something will work. Now the window goes up. That window goes up and down a little slow. This rear window does not work. That window goes up, doesn't go down. The radio does not work. Power antenna does not work. The air conditioning doesn't work. I'm not even gonna try that. Wipers don't work. The heater does nothing. So it needs a little few repairs. The courtesy light works, that's good. The power seat, I can hear it clicking, but it kind of works. So it's gonna need a little bit of repair there. The brakes are gone through, so it stops good. Steering wheel has a little bit of play in it, so you have to do a little work there. Shift good and everything. Definitely got a lot of play in the steering. So we'll have to do a little work on that. You know, the car's been sitting for a while. Like I say, I'd say it was an amateur restoration. It was restored some years ago. The car needs some work, but it's all there. I mean, you don't find Cadillacs very often. You just need someone that wants to do a little work and drive it as you go, or just start working on it right away. 100% bad points. So good luck, and we're happy to send someone to look at it or come inspect it yourself. I kind of went over everything that it needs, so you get a good idea what you're getting into.
We used to sing, sha la la la.